Hello friends, first of all, before I continue my video on teeth capping, let me thank you all from bottom of the heart because we have reached 15,000 subscribers in less than 6 to 8 months. This is because of your love and support. It keeps encouraging me to make more such videos. So do keep sharing my videos and liking it and keep motivating us. Now let us quickly jump to today's topic on teeth capping. So lot of the patients are asking me, sir, what is this dental cap, why it is needed? So many doctors are giving me so many options of metal cap, ceramic cap, zirconia cap, which is good for me. What will be the cost of the cap, how much it will last? So if you want answers to all these questions, this video may become slightly long, but if you are going to go for a teeth capping procedure, then this video is for you. Do watch it till the end. Now friends, before we go to what type of cap you should do, you should know why the capping is done. So normally the teeth capping is done when you undergo a procedure like root canaling, where the doctor has drilled the tooth and you want to protect the tooth. Or sometimes when the tooth is badly damaged, the capping is recommended, and in some occasions for the cosmetic purpose, the teeth capping is recommended. Now there is confusion, what is a cap and a bridge? Friends, it is ultimately the same thing. What happens is, let's say you are replacing a missing tooth, and then the doctor grinds the adjacent two teeth and gives the capping on both these teeth and a dummy in between. It is called a bridge. So obviously when you go for the cost of a cap, if it's a single cap, it will be charged for that, but in bridging you will be charged for 3 caps. Now there are different materials when it comes to the capping or bridging procedure. First is the metallic cap. Now metallic cap is time tested, you might have seen it, it's really been there for years. Even I would say a lot of times I see the very old people, they have the yellow color Japanese gold caps. Obviously it is now outdated because it does not look good and there are better materials available. One big problem apart from the look of the metallic cap is that it produces a galvanic shock. So because metal is a good conductor of electricity, if while eating you eat with a spoon or something, there could be a small shock-like sensation in the mouth, which is called as the galvanic shock. Now this cap, whether it is a metal cap or a ceramic or a zirconia, it can be made by 2 techniques. One is like a casting technique, like how the goldsmith makes the gold by dissolving the gold or by melting the gold. So that is called as the casting, or या तो जैसे सोना डालते हैं. So this casting technique, the material can be made, or it can be made computerized, which is called as the CAD-CAM. So when you make the simple metal cap, which is the most effective crown in the mouth, normally for the back teeth, it will last for a good number of years, easily 10 to 15 years, and it costs just 2800 to 4000 rupees depending upon the materials used, the lab used, and the doctor's output in it. So metallic cap is a very economic solution if it is made computerized, a CAD-CAM. Normally the material used is cobalt, chromium and nickel. So if it is made CAD-CAM, maybe the cost factor will rise by another 1000 or 1500 rupees. So this was regarding the metal cap, normally done in the back tooth, almost outdated because it does not look good. Now quickly come to the ceramic cap. So basically in this ceramic cap, or what is better terminology for it, is called as the porcelain fused to metal. How this is done is, there is a layer of metal and on top of it the technician uses various materials like ceramic to make it look like the natural tooth. So people who are very cost sensitive as well as they want a good natural looking tooth, ceramic is a time tested material where the ceramic crown can easily last 10-15 years and they cost anywhere between 5000 to 8500 rupees. One minor disadvantage of ceramic cap is that because there are 2 layers, the metal and the ceramic, the amount of tooth grinding is much more than a simple metal cap. The better and the latest material available in the market is called as a zirconia material. This zirconia is normally available in a blank, it's like a CD. And once the doctor makes your measurements, the milling, computerized cutting is done and the cap is fitted in the mouth. The beauty of this zirconia material is because there is no metal, it allows the light to pass through it. So if you compare like in this picture, the ceramic cap with the zirconia cap, especially for the front tooth, like when I smile, the light is going through my teeth. The zirconia cap look much more natural. Because there is no irritant metal in the mouth, in the zirconia, they are much more gum friendly. In fact, some companies called as the Bruxir company, they come up with a hammer test. So what they are saying is that in the back teeth, when you are doing a monolithic means a single block of zirconia crown in the back teeth. You can even hammer it and it is so strong it will not break. For the front teeth, some doctors combine it with the layering. So what they do is they create a zirconia coping and on top of it they add the ceramic layering, and you can really create a beautiful natural looking smile with the zirconia teeth. Depending upon what technique is used, whether a copy milling technique, computerized CAD/CAM technique, whether the layering is done, whether it is a monolithic zirconia, the costing ranges between 8,000 to 14,000 rupees for a zirconia crown. So I hope this quick and short video about all the different type of crowns with their advantages, it will make you, really help you to select the crown of your choice when you're going to your dentist next. Now let me tell you friends, if this video also gets 1,000 likes and views like in other of my videos, I will make a more detailed video on each of these caps. Till that time, keep sharing our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support. Thank you very much.